I'm Exta, and this is how to poof the crown on your head with a flat iron. Well, first and foremost is you want to make sure that you section, and then you're going to subsection with your flat iron. Each section you want to use the flat iron like a curling iron. You want to kind of pull it towards the front and back around into a big circle. What that's going to do is it's going to iron that into the fashion of getting the volume, because the hair wants to go back, but if you're forcing it and ironing it to go forward, it's going to give you more lift to make a bump. Once you get all your little sections, which is usually the crown, the first maybe about like 4 or 5 inches from the top of your head towards the back. Once you get done ironing, add a little bit of a tease and comb over or brush over, and you have the perfect bump using a flat iron.